Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Java code can be tricky, but we will solve this segment fast. Let's look at the variables and conditions to find the final printed cost. First, we initialize our variables. The cost starts at 25.0. We also have a new customer set to false, service years at 10, and a request count of 5. Next, we check the first if statement. Since new customer is false and service years is not greater than 10, the condition fails. The cost remains at 25.0 now. Finally, we check if the request count is at least 5. It is, so we add 2, bringing our final total to 27. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.